Well, it's Tuesday, and that means it's time to talk about your money with Evans Financial. Joining us today, changing it up, Micah Tipton here. It's been a while, Micah, so thanks for hanging out with us today, man.
Hey, great to be here.
We have another topic, February, for this month in February. It's all about retirement myths. We did top 10s last month, so we're going to myths. Tell me about some retirement myths, man.
Well, number 2 for this week is the idea that Social Security will support you and all your income needs in retirement. And the reality is that Social Security was really meant to be like a safety net for your income in retirement. So, you know, it's not going to cover everything. And for most people, that's going to cover about 40% of your pre-retirement income, you know, for middle income earners. So having other sources of income that you can draw from is important. You know, pensions, a lot of military around here, investment accounts, 401ks, IRAs, those types of things. You know, maybe you've got some rental property or, you know, even part-time work. Not everybody wants to completely stop working when they retire. And another concern is that, you know, for future generations especially, the funding may not be there for Social Security. You know, Congress is pretty good at doing nothing sometimes. And so they've got to figure out how to continue funding it. So for, you know, folks like us, what's it going to look like in the future? We're not sure. So if you can put into 401ks and IRAs right now, that's a great way to, again, not have so much reliance on Social Security. You know, if you're over age 50, there's catch-up provisions where you can contribute extra to those types of accounts. And even an employer match. If you have a 401k plan, you know, utilize that match because that's essentially free money that they're giving you. You know, another issue that we see in our office is oftentimes people are claiming their benefit too early. You know, so you can claim it as early as 62, but that doesn't mean it's in your best interest. You know, waiting till full retirement age ensures, which is age 67, that ensures that you don't have any withholding from having too much income if you're still working. But you can wait up to age 70, and each year that you wait, that benefit will increase about 8%. So if you wait to do that, you're not going to have any deducted, and that can ensure that, you know, you're going to have enough income from Social Security later in retirement as well. And then things like spousal benefit. You know, my wife stays at home, you know, hey kids. And
what's up?
So she homeschools them, and she may not have a Social Security benefit as big as mine. So the spousal benefit allows you to take 50% of your spouse's. So being aware of things like that, having a plan in place, and, you know, hopefully that's part of a larger holistic financial plan.
And I think the theme of most of our conversations is you got to be prepared.
Yep. And this is one way to do that. Just have a Social Security plan. You know, if you're not sure about these things, talk to someone that can walk you through that.
Well, and I know you guys at Evans Financial are someone who can walk them through that. So what do they do if they want to get a hold of you guys?
You can find us online, evansfinancial.com, or shoot us an email, info@evansfinancial.com.
You know, when it's raining outside, everyone wants to hear from one person.
Who's that?
Patrick Dennis.
There you go.